back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So in today's video, we have a haul. My husband and I went to Jackson, Mississippi. I rode with him and I was like, baby, if we go to Jackson, Mississippi, we need to go to HomeGoods in Jackson. But there was one in Madison, Mississippi, which is like a small suburb area. But we went there and he came in the store with me, and I told him every time we go out of town shopping, we make it to his store and I kind of rush out of the stores that I want to go to. So we just went to HomeGoods and to the outlet mall, and I picked up a few little things at the outlet mall, but I want to show you what I got from HomeGoods in Madison, Mississippi. So I'll even probably show you a little clip of the shopping experience. And I ended up picking up a few items here too from HomeGoods, but this is majority of, this is an all HomeGoods haul. And then I want to share with you a few items that I purchased from Lowe. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you these few little clearance items that I got from Lowe's. And the first thing I want to share is this pillow. And this pillow regular price was $20 and I ended up getting it for $4. So I purchased 3 of these for $4 each. Also purchased 4 of these to go on my lounge chairs, and they were on clearance as well. Regular price I believe was $12 and I paid $4 for these. The other thing I got was an outdoor rug. I actually got 2 of these, and these are 5x7. They are identical to the 8x10 rug that I ordered online from Lowe's. They didn't carry it in the store, so I ordered the 8x10 online. The 5x7, they do keep them in the store, and they were, I believe, regular price $90, and I got 2 of them for $23 each. Let me show you. There is that rug, and it's a 5x7. It was $24. The other one, I paid $200, I think, for the 8x10, but this 5x7 regular price was like $80, $79.96, something like that, but I got it for $23.96, $24 at Lowe's in stock on clearance. Let's go ahead and get into the home decor items. Home decor. I mean, I don't know who their buyer is, but they have this particular season have put out so much home decor items. So the first thing I'm going to share is a book. Fashion Duration. I like the book because of the color, but it's almost like a leather bound book, and it was $19.99. About time fashion. I think it looks really elegant, and I need it for our entryway. So everything that I purchased, I pretty much already have a home for it because I went in there looking for something to go in these specific areas. So we got this book, $20 from HomeGoods. Now in Jackson, my husband noticed this, and he picked up a small one, and I saw this one. He said, yeah, that's nice. He wants it for the man cave. So this is, if you can see it this way, it was $30 at HomeGoods. So $29.99 at HomeGoods. Now I got this from our local HomeGoods. It was $25. They had several of them. At first, I was going to get them to line up the table, and I kept changing my mind. And then finally, I went back to get this one because I just need something simple to add at the entryway table to even put some balls or some pumpkins in. So this is my color theme, and that's why I got it. $25 at HomeGoods, and it's really pretty. Okay, so the other thing I picked up, you know I'm doing, what do you call this color? Cognac in our bedroom. And I do have a throw similar to this one, but it has the lines and all of that in it. So I picked this one up because I'm probably going to just throw it in the bathroom on I have a round ottoman in the center, which I plan on getting rid of. But I'm thinking I'm going to either throw it on there or throw it on one of the chairs in our bedroom. But this was $25. I like this one a lot better. It's the same color, except this one doesn't have those groove lines. And it is faux fur. So $25 at HomeGoods. Same color. Someone asked me about the one I had before. Now is the time. They have several of these at all of your HomeGoods. I checked in Jackson, they had it, and I just walked by in the areas close to my home and they had it as well. So if you're looking for this color, check your local HomeGoods, and this is the exact same color of that cognac bedding I just purchased for our bedroom. Before I get into some of the other unique pieces that I found, I want to share this pumpkin, and this is the last pumpkin that I will be buying this year. This is the colors that I'm working with in my kitchen. Even the glitter just set it off. So we got the light gray and more of a taupey brown at the bottom, and it's really pretty. It was $25. It's in a hard plastic, and I'm going to put it on my kitchen table along with my ginger jars. This one is perfect for in there. The first thing I found, and I Googled this item up and down, and the funny thing about it is I just shared with you all that I wanted a shelf clock, and I bought one from Amazon, and I wasn't really happy with it. And I found this little clock that sits on the shelf, and it was $24.99. It's that bronze color that I'm working with, and my husband actually saw it, and I was like, that's perfect, because I just bought a shelf clock and it's okay, but it's not doing it for me. This is doing it for me, and it's going right over there on our bookshelf. So I like this. It's really unique. I looked it up, and I did find them in out of the country, and I tried to find it every which way, but I looked by the name, the brand. I found them. I found the brand and all of that, but it's out of the country, and they do not ship to the US. But I'll still share the link in the description for anyone who's interested. And even if you live outside of the US, this is it. It is a little man on a clock on a shelf. Now, the one I found, I think it had a chair, exact same size, except right here where he sits at, there's a chair, like a black chair. So that may have was supposed to have come with it, but I don't know. And it's battery operated, and once you put the battery in, you just tighten up the screw and it'll sit still like so. All right, and I also picked up this metal figurine. It was probably the most expensive item that I purchased, but it is making a statement. It was $70 at HomeGoods. And if you look around my home, I have a lot of circles going on, and this falls right into that category. And I love this color. It is the colors I'm working with blending together, which is like the bronzy and black golden color. So $70 at HomeGoods, and I love it. It's going to go on our credenza that's in the dining area. And I picked this up close to my home. It is so pretty. It makes a statement by itself, but you know I'm going to put some fall branches or something in it, and I love it. $40 at HomeGoods. They did have two, and one of the ladies that works there, I showed it to her, and she put the other one up to purchase later. But $40, let me get close so you can see. It's really pretty. There was also some pictures that I was interested in. I've seen them before. They're actually shadow boxes. I love shadow boxes, but I've seen them before, and I moved a piece of art that was in front of them, and I was like, oh, those are nice. And I didn't get them. This was probably the early part of this year, and I didn't get them. And I walked back around and was like, I'm going to get them. And a lady had them in her basket, and here they are. They are similar, and I have some that are still similar, but these have the gold tips, and there's two in each shadow box, and they were $40 each at HomeGoods. I got these locally, and I do love them. I love the gold frame. These are probably going to go in my primary bathroom or primary bedroom, but I originally did buy them to go in my primary bathroom. So we're moving into that area, and I absolutely love these. $40 each at HomeGoods. Okay, so the last two items I want to show are really big, really different, as I mentioned, unique pieces. And here is one. And here is the other. So I'm going to put these on my dining room table, and keep in mind, we still got that circular action going. The smaller one was $40 and the larger one was $50. So both of these together was $90. So I'm starting to see a little bit more pricier things in HomeGoods that are actually catching my eyes. But I think this is well worth it for $50 and $40. Just the two of these by itself, that's all you need. That is all we're going to need on our dining room table to make a statement. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this haul. It was short and sweet. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. Thanks again for watching, and be on the lookout for our fall living room, dining room entryway. And we're also going to take it out to the backyard and warm up that space for fall and football season. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.